Hello crypto peeps, MillerMiner here. Today I am posting a video of the full installation of an nVidia GTX 1060 graphics processing unit, or in other words, I'm upgrading MillerMinerZero to revision 1. The first step I'm going to have to do is remove one of the 1070s from the computer to have access to the PCI Express 1X slot. It should just pop out right there. There we go. And here's what that graphics processor looks like. This is the 1070 that came with the PowerSpec PC that I purchased from Micro Center. And here is a powered PCI Express 1X to 16X USB adapter, A.K.A. the powered riser. Please note the inside of the USB cable and port is blue if it is USB 3.0. Going ahead and reinstalling the graphics processing card. Alright, here is the 1060 graphics card I will be adding to the system. And here is the actual card that I'll be adding. This is what it looks like physically. It's pretty big. And this is the part of the powered riser that plugs into the graphics card. Here you Alright, here you see me zip tying. Yep, zip tying the graphics card to the computer case. I figured it's not going to go anywhere, so I could probably use a zip tie here. Better than duct tape. Here I am hooking up all the power cables, getting them all correctly inserted. Oh yeah, and there I made a mistake, because if I would have made that connection, I would have had to use a different power adapter for the actual graphics card, which is right here. This is the close-up of the adapter that I'm using to deliver power to the 6+2 pin port on the graphics card using two 4-pin molex connectors. And alright, crypto peeps, that is the end of the installation. Please feel free to ask questions about the video if you have any, and always subscribe for mining and digital asset how-tos and info, and don't forget to smash that like button.